Today, I Ravisharan, a student of Reverence and an esteemed Lucknow Public School, Lakhimpur branch, is here to tell you the importance of saving our earth. As we all are in the lockdown period, which is implemented by the government as per the severe conditions outside. So, in this period, I thought to make you all aware about the importance of saving our earth. In this context only, I have prepared a chart. Let's have a look at it. The chart is divided into two parts, the first one and the second one. In the first one, it is written as eco, and in the second one, it is written as ego. These two words sound very similar, but the difference of a single letter has created two different conditions. If we all go few hundreds of years back, then the condition of the earth was very much similar to this one, where everyone lived a very happy life and earth was really a very beautiful place to live because humans were eco-friendly. They never did anything wrong which can harm our earth. But as humans started developing, they tried to make human life more easier and comfortable. In this race, they started doing construction work, but they started depleting natural resources. As you all can see, all water is polluted, there are no trees left. This is because humans try to satisfy their egos or fulfill their luxurious needs. Imagine, when you wake up in the morning, you see your house is destroyed by someone or it has completely disappeared. You will be very shocked. But this is what happening with many animals around the world, as humans are continuously destroying their homes through deforestation or any other activities. It is estimated that 150 species around the world become extinct or lose their existence because of humans' wrong actions only. Mother Earth has given us everything in plenty, whether it is clean air, water, forest, sunlight. And it is our responsibility to conserve them for the future generation. Remember that Mother Earth is the only planet in a solar system where life exists and it has no alternate. Things like global warming and pollution have become a part of our daily life. We all are very much familiar with these terms. Global warming, it is the global increase in temperature. The rise in temperature leads to an increase in sea level, melting of iceberg, which creates a serious danger to the polar life, as it is shown in the following pictures. If we will not stop here, then the ultimate result we have to suffer, and it will be in the form of loss of human life or property. But if we want to improve the condition of the earth, then we have to take some preventive steps. These steps are neither very big one, nor they require a lot of money, but they require our continuous small efforts. Our continuous efforts will surely create a very big difference one day, and condition of the earth will improve and it will become a very beautiful place to live. I hope my words will make you rethink to take such preventive steps. At last, I would like to thank you all for giving me your precious time. Stay home, stay safe.